Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Friday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some 5 off $25 scenarios to go over for this Saturday, October the 21st at Dollar General. And in this video, we have a total of 7 amazing deals to go over. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded a bunch of other DG videos for you all this week. We've got a lot going on. We have a clearance event, we have new clearance markdowns, a penny list, we have run deals, new glitches, overages, all kinds of goodies. So if you've missed out on anything, make sure that you go and check them out. I'm going to have all those videos linked and listed for you in the pinned comment down below. And don't forget that the deals are in the details, so please watch the video all the way through. It helps me, and it helps you, and it helps me help you. So watch the video all the way through, that way you don't miss out on any important details, and you can get in on all of these crazy, amazing deals. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Now, we're going to start off with a double dip deal because we just received a few new DG store coupons on our accounts. One of them being this one right here. It is $5 off of a $20 purchase of Hershey's Halloween candy. Now, with this deal, I do want to put out a little disclaimer because this is a brand new 5 off 20 DG store coupon. Unfortunately, we will not know for sure if this is going to stack and work perfectly with our 5 off 25 coupon until tomorrow. All we can do is plan out these deals and then go into the store on Saturday and try them out. So this will be a transaction that I'm going to be trying out first thing in the morning. So be on the lookout for updates. I will put the updates in the pinned comment as well as on the community tab. So for this scenario, you want to pick up 6 bags of the Hershey's Halloween candy priced at $5.50 each. They're on sale. Buy 2, get 1 for free. Pick up one of the Tums 12 count at $1.25, one of the Oral-B toothbrushes for $1, one American greeting card for 50 cents, one of the Vicks cough drops for $1, and one Airwick warmer for $4. That is going to put your subtotal at $29.75. And here's a look at the list of coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And after everything has been applied, that is going to leave you paying $10.75 for 11 items, making each one just 97 cents each. Now, moving on into our next scenario. For this one, you want to pick up 6 bags of the 3.15 pound Friskies cat food. These are priced at $5.25 each, so that's going to put your subtotal at $31.50. The coupons that you're going to need is your 5 off 25 and the 5 off 3 Friskies cat food. After coupons, you're going to pay $21.50 for 6 items. But wait, the deal gets even better because right now on ShopMem, we have another 5 off 3 manufacturer coupon, and we only used 1 manufacturer coupon on 3 bags. We picked up a total of 6, so we're going to submit to ShopMem, get $5 back, and then we're also going to submit to Swagbucks because right now on Swagbucks we have a $5 rebate when you purchase 3 bags of the Friskies cat food. And then on our DG apps, we also have a 75-cent DG cashback offer. So if that stacks, there is a limit of 5. So you're going to get back a total of $3.75 in DG cash. That's going to make your final price $7.75 for 6 items, making each bag just $1.29 each. But hold on, because this deal could get even better. We just received a new DG store coupon. This one is a 5 off 25 specifically for the Purina Friskies cat food. So if both the regular 5 off 25 and this 5 off 25 for the Purina Friskies stack and work together, after coupons, we're paying $16.50. Submit to ShopMem, get $5 back. Submit to Swagbucks, get $5 back. Get back $3.75 in DG cash. That's going to make your final price $2.75 for 6 items, making each one just 45 cents each. Guys, that's almost 19 pounds of cat food. Now, if you're not already signed up for Swagbucks, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead, sign up, check it out. I do have a referral link. If you use it, you get some sort of welcome bonus. So the referral link will be in the description box as well as in the pinned comment. Now, for the next couple of scenarios, we are going to be stacking this DG store coupon. It's a 5 off 15 for Snuggle, Purex, and Persil products. So for this first deal, you want to pick up 3 bags of the bacon strips priced at $2.65 each, one of the Cottonelle 4 count mega rolls at $5.50, 3 of the all free and clear liquid laundry detergents priced at $5 each, one of the Tums 12 count at $1.25, 2 of the Kinder Bueno bars at $1.40 each, one of the American greeting cards at 50 cents, and one Airwick warmer at $4. That's going to put your subtotal at $37. And here's a look at the list of coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. Now, for this one, you will need one printable coupon, and that is $6.99 off of 3 Purina dog treats. And you can find that printable coupon on the coupons.com website. After coupons, you're going to pay $6.36 for 12 items, but then you're going to get back a total of $3 in DG cash for picking up 3 bottles of the all free and clear laundry detergent. That's going to make your final price $3.36 for 12 items, making each one just 28 cents each. Now, if your store no longer accepts printable coupons, or if you just don't have that $6.99 coupon, don't worry about it. Go back and check out this video right here, because in that video, I give you all tons of options and tons of different ways that you can get that $6.99 coupon back. All right, for our next scenario, you want to pick up one of the Persil 75-ounce liquid laundry detergents priced at $9.95, one of the Purex 20-ounce beads at $3.75, and one of the Snuggle 50-ounce liquids at $3.75. One of the Mr. Clean 4 or 6 count magic erasers at $3.25, one Airwick warmer at $4, one of the Tums 12 count at $1.25, and one American greeting card at 50 cents. That's going to put your subtotal at $26.45. And here's your list of coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. Now, I'm going to try to speed this up just a little bit. So after all those coupons have been applied, that is going to leave you paying $5.20 out of pocket for 7 items. But then you're going to get $1 in DG cash back on the Snuggle liquid. That's going to make your final price $4.20 for 7 items, making each one just 60 cents each. For this next one, you want to pick up 2 of the Old Spice body wash priced at $5.50 each, one of the Vaseline lip balms priced at $2. Ring that one up first. Then you want to pick up 2 of the Vaseline lotions in the green bottle. I believe it's the aloe. Those are priced at $4 each. One of the Poise 48 count liners at $6.50, one of the Always Discreet 26 count liners at $3.25, and one of the Tums 12 count at $1.25. That's going to put your subtotal at $32. And here's a look at the list of coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. After everything has been applied, you are going to be paying $4.50 for 8 items, making each one just 56 cents each. All right, moving on into the next one, you want to pick up one of the Tide laundry detergents priced at $5.50, one of the Scott 12 count bath tissue at $5, one of the Mr. Clean 4 or 6 count magic erasers at $3.25, one Airwick warmer at $4, 2 Axe body wash at $5.50, one Always Discreet for $3.25, one of the Vicks 20 count cough drops at $1, and one of the Tums 12 count at $1.25. That's going to put your subtotal at $34.25. And here's a look at the list of coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. After everything has been applied, you are going to pay $3.75 for 9 items, making each one just 41 cents each. All right, and last but certainly not least, for this one, you want to pick up 2 of the Axe body wash priced at $5.50, one of the Dove pump body wash at $10.95, one of the Cantu hair mask at $2, one of the Vicks 20 count cough drops at $1, one of the Oral-B daily clean toothbrushes at $1, one of the Tums 12 count at $1.25, and one Always Discreet liner at $3.25. That's going to make your subtotal $30.45. And here's a list of the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. After everything has been applied, that is going to make it completely free, plus give you 5 cents in overage. Now, y'all know the rule. Never, ever, ever let the cashier give you cash back. So that 5 cents should apply to your taxes, but in the event that it does not, throw in a piece of candy or something from the dollar aisle. That way that 5 cents will have something else to apply to. All right, guys, so that is going to be it for me for now. Like I said before, if you are not signed up for any of the rebate apps, make sure that you check out the pinned comment down below. All of my referral codes and links will be right there for you all. I'm also going to add some additional notes. So check out the pinned comment, and of course, before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.